I'm Chef Lim and welcome to World Food Studio. And today I'm so excited to share with you another recipe, Malay delicacy kuih, which is called Bombasari. It's basically a steamed kuih with bananas in it. Let's check out the ingredients. We have here plain flour. This is fine sugar or castor sugar. We have ripe bananas. Choose the seedless ones. We have coconut milk. This is from one coconut. And some salt. It's very easy, very quick. And if you have bananas at home, it's very good actually. So first and foremost, I shall put in the flour into my bowl. We will add some salt. Remember, when you cook anything with coconut milk, you need salt to give it a creamy, milky taste. And then I will pour in the coconut milk. This Bombasari is usually served during tea time in Malay homes, and also some in Indonesia and Brunei. They do serve this, and bananas can be found everywhere in Malaysia. So it's a good delicacy to be served. So we have here our fine sugar. We'll add into our batter and give it a good stir. Okay, so this is our baking tin, which we will put some oil. And rub it all around. Next, we will sieve our batter or strain it through a strainer straight into our baking pan here. So this is the way. Strain it to ensure that there are no flour particles in our batter. Penapis yang besar, yang penapis yang biasa tu, yang kelapa tu. So next we will peel take the skin off the banana, and then we will cut it up. So we have the banana here. This is very good for using ripe bananas, and we will cut it straight into our baking pan here. So this is our Bombasari, or banana sweet delicacy. And we shall steam it now. So we shall steam this kuih for about 25 minutes until it's done. So after 25 minutes, we have our kuih Bombasari. So this is how it looks like, and we will allow it to get cold, okay? Until then we will cut it.